Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective. In these lessons we'll uncover the mystery of music theory. Now let's continue on with the sharp minor scales. We're going to take that same pattern, the minor pattern, and transpose that or move that from A onto B. So we want whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Let's see what that looks like. From B to C, we want a whole step. So we're going to cross the C out and raise the C to C sharp. That gives us a whole step from B to C sharp. C sharp to D will give us the half step. D to E will give us the whole step. E to F sharp is already a whole step. F sharp to G is a half step. G to A is a whole step. A to B is a whole step. And that gives us our minor pattern. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. So let's take a look at that on the bass clef. Here's our B to C is a half step. Notice it's a half step, so we raise it to C sharp. So we add in the sharp here. It's B to C sharp, whole step. C sharp to D, half step. D to E, whole step, yeah, I'm correct. D to E, whole step. E to F sharp, there's the F, so we sharp it, whole step. F sharp to G, half step. G to A, whole step. A to B, whole step. There we are. Now we have our pattern, and that gives us our second sharp. The C sharp. Remember when we did the majors, our first sharp was F sharp, and our second sharp was C sharp. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. That's the order of sharps. That's the pattern in which the sharps occur. So minors will do the exact same as the majors. Our first sharp was the F sharp. Our second sharp is now the C sharp, just the same as the majors. So for the key of D major, we had F sharp, C sharp. Now for the key of B minor, and I'll put that here. Here's a B natural minor. We have the same sharps, F sharp and C sharp. That means D major and B minor are actually related. They're like cousins. Okay? So they both have the same key signature, two sharps, F sharp, C sharp. And we have the same pattern, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Now let's find that chord. We start on B. I'm going to put the B over here. We're going to skip up from the B and go to our D, skip up from the D and go to the F. But remember the F has been sharp, so I'm going to give us a courtesy sharp, a reminder sharp right in there, to remind us that F is sharped, okay? Usually, though, when we play a song, the sharps will be given at the start of, as a key signature. So that will tell us what the key is, B minor or D major with two sharps. So we have skip up to D and skip up to F sharp, and that gives us our nice minor chord, B, D, and this is F sharp. So listen to that. There's our B minor chord and our B minor scale. I went up and then back down. I'll just go up. Up or ascending. And that gives us the same pattern, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. And this is what we call a natural minor scale. That's a minor scale according to its own original key signature. So the minors do have a few alterations, and we'll learn those later on. For now, we're dealing with the natural minor, and this is natural minor for B minor. Okay, take out your flashcards. Make one B minor scale and go ahead and write it out. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and go ahead and top it off with B again. And then the B minor key signature, remember two sharps, F sharp, C sharp, And this is going to have the same order of sharps that we did for the major. So F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. We're doing the same order. And then the B minor chord, B, D, F sharp. And remember that the F has to be sharped. Okay? Add those to your practice pile and practice them as much as you can until they become very easy. And as always, have a great day.